beautiful Rocky Mountain National Park. About to summit. Spectacular.
Speaking with my being, without talking, seeing, or hearing, but experiencing the meaning of my mind is completely freeing. The inner consciousness, a state of pure bliss. Achieving nirvana is yours if you wanna. Go to places inside, go deep in your mind. They reside in the depths of your soul. Forget what you've been told. You've gotta be bold to withstand the cold and reconnect with your breath. It's energy beyond life and death. From one reality to the next. The inner voice is the essence of being without speaking. Take this seed and plant it. It'll happen better than you could ever plan it. Life unfolding for us on this planet. Trying to find our way in this place, in this paradise that we can't replace. If there's commotion all around, go feel the earth, feel the ground, feel the touch of Mother Nature, her caring love and nurture. 'Cause find the power within. You share it, and everyone wins. The pain and suffering is worth every last breath in. 'Cause when there's nothing else on earth to do, I transcend dimensions, create realities with you. Try and comprehend how I bend my own perceptions based on recollections from past reflections. See, it's amazing having these sensations, realizations that it's all controlled hallucinations through activities you take part in. Because we're connected to our mother goddess, a planetary matrix of organic wholeness. Thanks for listening. My eyes are glistening. I don't know what else to say. Just meditate.